Welcome to the Amazon, home to an incredible variety of wildlife, including the captivating and enigmatic electric eel. As you delve deeper into this lush forest, you'll find this iconic fish, native to the dark labyrinthine waters that dance through the emerald foliage of the rainforest. It's hidden in the depths, an enigma shrouded in the darkness of the water. The electric eel, though seemingly ordinary, possesses a unique ability that sets it apart from the hundreds of species that inhabit these waters. It is known for its ability to produce electricity, a biological marvel. It generates an electrical charge within itself, a stunning combination of science and nature. It utilizes this electrical discharge to defend itself against potential threats or predators attempting to disrupt its tranquility. Furthermore, it uses this innate ability to stun its prey, to hunt down smaller aquatic life that flit about in water's shadows. Being such a fascinating creature, the electric eel also poses a potential threat to those unaware of its capabilities. A swimmer or a fisherman who ventures too close without the knowledge of the power might be on the receiving end of a powerful, jolting electric shock. To ensure you remain safe these waters, it is crucial to take preventive measures. Refrain from swimming or fishing in areas known to be the electric eel's territory. Be cautious of touching or reaching for unknown submerged objects, as they might be hiding these electric creatures. As you venture further into the Amazon, immersing yourself in its vast, spellbinding beauty, remember always the electric eel and the potential danger it presents. This is a creature to be respected, not feared. Nature is for us to enjoy, not destroy. Respect all life, maintain safety, and relish your unique journey through the Amazon.